Isn't nature beautiful?
Of course it is. Nature has so many beautiful things. The bright sun rising above the massive mountains, the tall trees,
And the short shrubs.
some plants bear colorful flowers and some bear juicy fruits.
The cool blue oceans, lakes, rivers, and streams. They are all a part of nature.
We animals, birds, and insects are also a part of nature.
Yes, and all of us are so different from each other.
We can see all these gifts of nature, but there is something in nature that we cannot see.
What is that?
Air. Air is a very important part of our lives. We cannot see it. We can only feel it.
Wow! Nature is incredible. It is made up of visible as well as invisible things.
Ah, fresh air.
Where is the fresh air? I cannot see it.
Jumpy, don't be silly. We cannot see air.
Then how do you know that there is fresh air here?
Air is all around us. We cannot see it. We can only feel it. Take a deep breath. Did you feel the air enter your nostrils? Air is very important. We need air to live. We constantly breathe oxygen in the air. Now take another deep breath. Hold your hand close to your nose and exhale. Did you feel the air on your hand?
Yes, I did. I felt air.
Hey, Jumpy, did you just feel the cool air against your skin?
Yes, I did.
That was wind. Moving air is called wind. The leaves and flowers are swaying because of wind. The wind is causing the dried leaves to fly around. There goes Rory. His mane is also moving because of the wind. Have you seen any objects being moved by wind?
Ah, I love fresh air.
All of us love fresh air, but this fresh air is getting polluted.
Polluted? What do you mean by polluted?
Come, let me show you. Vehicles and industries release harmful gases. These harmful gases mix with the fresh air and pollute it.
Okay. And we breathe in this polluted air, which is bad for our health.
That's right.
What can we do to keep the air clean?
Well, if the number of vehicles on the road reduces, the pollution will also become less.
Okay. Is there anything else that we can do?
We can plant more trees. Trees absorb harmful gases such as carbon dioxide and release a very useful gas called oxygen. All living beings breathe in oxygen from the air.
I can do that. I will start planting trees right now so that all of us can breathe clean, fresh air.
Hi, Bunny. What are you watching? I am watching a movie on the water cycle. The water cycle? What is that? Let's watch the movie and learn about the water cycle.
There are many water bodies around us. Oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. When the sun comes up, it shines brightly over these water bodies. When the water gets heated, it turns into water vapor. The water vapor slowly starts rising higher and higher. It is very cold up here. So the water vapor cools down into tiny water droplets again. Many water droplets come together and form a cloud. As time passes, more and more water droplets join the clouds, and the clouds become heavy. Do you know what happens when the clouds become very heavy? They burst, and all the water droplets come falling down in the form of rain. Now, this is how we get rain. This rainwater flows into the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. The water from the lakes and ponds is then cleaned and it is sent to our houses through pipes.
Wow! This is so interesting. The water from the earth goes up and then it comes back down. After learning so much about water, I'm feeling very thirsty. Here you go, Rory. Have some water. Thank you, Bunny.
Chimpu, have you left the tap open?
Oops, I will close it right now.
Water is essential in our lives. You should not waste water, Chimpu. We need water for many reasons. What do you use water for? When we get thirsty, we drink water. It is very important to drink lots of clean water every day.
We also use water to rinse our mouth after brushing. We need water to bathe and to flush the toilets. Water is used to clean our houses.
It is also used to wash clothes. What about cooking? We use water while cooking too.
Plants also need water. I water my plants every day.
Now you see how important water is. We cannot live without water, and so we should never waste water.
We waste a lot of water when we leave the water running while brushing and bathing. Turn off the tap when you don't need it and save water.
That's very good advice, Chimpu. But do you know where we get this water from? Rivers, lakes, ponds and wells are the main sources of fresh water.
I feel like going to the pond now.
Let's go. Chimpu, what are you doing? We drink this water. If you throw garbage in this water, it will become dirty.
I'm sorry, Jumpy. I will never throw garbage in water bodies. Remember, keep the water bodies clean so that you can drink clean water. Goodbye.
What are you doing, Bunny?
I am planting some saplings. They will soon grow into big trees.
But there are so many trees around. Why are you planting some more?
It is always good to plant more trees because we need trees for many reasons.
Why are trees so important to us?
Well, some birds such as yourself live on trees. Trees are your home.
That's right.
Plants give us food. Some animals consume plants as food. Humans eat the fruits and vegetables that grow on the plants. The wood from trees is used to make furniture. Wood is also used to make paper.
Is it? I didn't know that.
Most importantly, plants make the air around us clean and pure.
How do plants do that?
Plants absorb harmful gases such as carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
Now I know why trees are so important.
Yes, trees are very important to us. We should not cut trees but grow more and more trees.
Okay, Bunny. I will help you grow some more trees.